Shut up. Good morning, it's bird screen again. Terry's over there. Hello. He said good morning, don't know if you heard him. Right, nice misty morning still, just right for the pole. Wind's picking up a little bit from the right, I can feel it on my face. Couple down there, a bivvy at the end. Same setup as last time, really got three top kits set up, maggot rig, pellet rig and inside rig. Let's see what we can do. I haven't plumbed up yet. I was fishing there last time, but I'm fishing a little bit further over. I thought I'd use the proper swim for a change. Not that it makes any difference. Anyway, I'll switch it back on when something happens. There we go, first cast. There we go. It's stuck on the bottom. Oh dear. I dragged that plummet. I dragged that plummet left, right and centre. There was nothing down there. The first casting was stuck on the bottom. Unbelievable. Oh dear. This story of my life. Is it moving? Yeah, it's moving. Right, we've got it. Gonna find the rest of the branch out there now, and I am. I'm going to move my swim over about a foot to the right and see what happens. I think the over there, huh? It's only 20 yards away from the hook. I'll get another bite from the other half of that branch that's down there. That felt like a tench. Fish on, Terry. It felt like a tench. I don't know if it's a tench or not. It felt like a tench when I hooked it. I want the top kit, so. Could be a carp, I don't know, it's hooked. Yeah, it's going for it now. Don't know if I connect it back to the rest of the pole or not. Not making much headway on it, but I'll pull it. Does feel like a tench. It feels like a tench, Terry. Huh? It feels like a tench. If it's a tench though, it's a big one. If it's a tench, it's a big one. I don't think it's a tench. Somehow I don't think it's a tench.
What was that on maggot again?
No, it's an expander. Second cast, first cast stuck on the bottom. No, that's not a tench.
Really big splash out there a little while ago.
Oh, there was one over there, yeah. Didn't know enough where this is heading.
You mean where this one's going?
Hey?
You mean where this one's going?
Yeah. It felt like a tench when I hooked it, 'cause it sort of had that sort of boogle-dog-dunkster feeling. It's a £30. I don't know it's hooked yet. That's what it is. We can live in hope.
Let me know when you're close.
Hey? Section on that handle. Almost, I could do another section on the handle. Another section on the handle, read that then. It wants the elastic back, but I don't want to give it any. It's taking the elastic anyway. I don't want to give it elastic, but it's taking it. Ah. Holy shit. Ah. Oh, no. Ah. There's one more section on that bloody. Ah, there. Oh, that's it. Yep, should have put the other section on the handle. Would have had that. Such is life. Let's just try again. To see what mess it's made of the rig. fish, probably about 15 pound or something.
What happened? It just spit the hook.
Oh?
Did it just spit the hook?
No, there was a normally bulk shot. And below the bulk shot, the line was flat. It's like it broke. But the line was like, when the end of the line was flat, it was like
It stretched it?
like it had been squashed with a pair of pliers or something.
Oh wow.
It was like
It looked like
it
a
wasn't
nice
anywhere
fish
where
when
the
it shot off.
huh?
It looked like a nice fish when it shot off.
Yeah, it was about 15 pounder.
Yeah.
I nearly had it in the net, but I needed the other section on. If I had the other section on, I would have got it, but I didn't bother. But I thought I'd leave, the bloody thing turned around at the last minute and nearly. It was about 15, I think. Straight in with a maggot. See if we can land this one. Doesn't feel like a carp. Again, it don't feel like a tench. So. Feels like a small carp. Oh, big tench, banging its head. So. What are we doing, Barry? I left you running, didn't I? Sorry, mate. Ah, no. Oh, God. Yeah, with a slime on the line, that's a tench. Oh, God. Pulled it too hard. I don't know. It's not very well done. 2 fish hooked, 2 fish lost. That's definitely a tench, a big one though. Just lost a tench, Terry. I'm not doing too good today. Oh, look at that. Should I net that? Because being as I've lost the last 2. We got him. In fact, that's a rudd. That's not even a roach, it's a rudd. Is that a roach, rudd or a hybrid? It's definitely got a rudd mouth, hasn't it? Oh, I have to say that's a hybrid. Right, let's change the battery before we do anything else, they say. Untangle that tip. What's going on up there?
So what's going on? You lost 2 fish?
I've lost a carp, I've lost a tench. I've caught something that looked like a rudd roach hybrid. I actually managed to land that.
You've not got your head in the game today?
Hey?
You've not got your head in the game today?
Well, I don't know what's going on. Well, the tench just came off the hook, which, yeah, occupational hazard. I pulled it too hard, which is my stupid fault. What can you do? You're going to play the things all day or land them so you can get another one. That was a bite. Right. That's very unusual to miss perch. The maggots aren't chewed, so I don't think it was a roach. Yeah, it's a £30 carp, that's what it is. Right, let's put some maggot in that pot. Cap it off a big lump of that. Good luck with getting that out of the... What's that? That's that bit of line. Yeah, so good luck with getting that out of the pot. That's going to take some tapping to get out of there. There we go, living up to our name now. There will be no maggots left in that bloody pot by the time we get out there. Right. Keep it right way up the way. Right, swing it out of the way. About there. Right there, that's it. I told you it's going to take some tapping, didn't I? Yes, it's gone. Right. That's another rod. That's definitely a rod. We're going to feed, but not as much. We're going to put in a pinch and a tiny pinch, right? Adam. Must get a proper bite though. It's just blended, like it blends on the water. Hard to explain. Something like that. Funny, I've never caught a rudd in here before. Now we've caught a rudd and a hybrid rudd. A roach hybrid, I'd say. Weird. Goes again. This one will be bigger than the last one. It's a perch. We've got a perchamondo. Ooh. Perchamondo. Perchamondo. Ouch. I chewed him out a bit. Right, let's try putting it on head first. And then tail first. Okay. Do the same again. Put a few of them in. A little tiny bit of that. It's all coming out the holes. Get it out there quick. There was only one maggot left in it. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool feeding sparingly. So with a hybrid, a rudd and a perch. Lost a tench and lost a carp. So every fish we've hooked so far has been different. That's the old fruit shoot pot. So all you do is you basically put the pot against it like that and go round it, and that's how you hold it on then. So pot on, go round it, and that's it, it's held on. So to take it off, go in the opposite direction. Right, there's one I made earlier. I think that goes on the end of the guru. Looks like it goes on the end of the guru pot. Yeah, it does. Okay. It's knackered. It's absolutely knackered. Things falling a bit, but anyway. We're trying to mug one out of Terry's swim. I'll leave another section of pole. There's one out there, look. There's two. One's a ghosty. Miles too far out. I used to fish 16 metres of pole when 16 metres of pole weren't invented. Now I can't even fit 16 metres of pole together. One out there. Right. Very much. Let's give us a shot. Yeah, well, I lost a carp, lost a tench. Had a few small ones. But that's it. Yeah, it looks nice. It's going to piss down about 3 o'clock probably. But, cheers. Yeah, that's better. Carp is on Monday. That's a £30, Terry. Stay in the net. 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 Yes, we are back. We're back. I'll make it mine up. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Right, we're back. Oh God, that's a bit of a lump, that fish.
I think it fell out. Yeah.
26.6. Yes. On Keith's pole. Yeah, I caught a bigger fish than Anne now. That's good. I've beaten Anne's record anyway. She only had a 24 pounder. Right, switch it back on. What's up and happens? Oh dear. Right, now I've had a drink, a rest, and another half of a lucky sandwich. Let's see if we can get another one, eh? I think I better check this rig. That took a bit of strain, that rig. How's the hook look? It looks a bit wonky. I think I should put another. I think I should put another hook on it. Let's see. Well, it seems to be holding. Right, let's check the most important end. Which is this end? That looks a bit wet. Let's have a look. Oh, it looks alright. What's the worst that could happen? Can only lose me £30, I can't. There we go. Oh, that feels like a tench. I think it's a tench, Terry. He's doing the crocodile roll. And my fowl looks him in the mouth. Do it. Tench him on. Who will fight them on the beaches? Who will fight them in the air? Who will never ever surrender? You just keep honking and honking and honking. And honking and honking and honking. Right, hold the line like that. Just shuffle it in a bit. So we've got the old shoot pot now. I'm going to put in a pinch of maggot and a few ringers R2s, and I'll squash them down. I'll squash them in so as hopefully they'll hold the maggots a little bit tighter. Let's go. Let's see if we can get the double maggot. I was battling well, wasn't it? The size of that one. Looks like another hybrid. Well, feels like a tench. I've been wrong before. Could be a perch hooked up the back end. Oh, here's a big perch. It's a big perch, Terry. Big perch. Yeah. Big for in here anyway. Yeah. Huh? You did? Good stuff. Spat the hook out. Sweet news. is it?
No, nothing solid yet.
I see 2 maggots there. That's there. That's a nice perch, isn't it, eh?
Not a bad little fish, is it?
Yeah. Not bad for here.
Got to be coming somewhere.
That's
near
almost edible.
pound.
Eh?
Got to be coming somewhere near a pound.
Yeah, it must be a pound almost. Almost edible, that one. Fat rod, look at that. Is that roach or is that hybrid? It's another hybrid, isn't it? Yep. Roach looking with a rod mouth. Well, the head and shoulders is coming out. I don't normally do this, but if I catch a fish on this, I'll be sold. Marvellous. If I get a bite straight away, I'll never leave home without it. Well, I actually had a bite. Quick, put some more on. There's definitely a bite. Good bite. That's not an inch worm, that's a millimetre worm. You've got more patience than I have. I would have been packed up by now, but I saw the tail patterns down here. I saw the tail patterns coming up. I thought, oh, I've got to go on a short rig. Of course, by the time I got the short rig out, they're gone. Right, I'm going to count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time to go home. Oh ho 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 ho. Oh my God. Oh dear. Oh, glad I left it another second. I counted down from 10. I was going to go home. Oh no. It's definitely going to be dark now, Terry. It's definitely going to be dark now.
Yeah. Why, you in the fish?
Yeah. I did the countdown from 10. I was going to go home. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I gave it another second and the float went under. Oh no. I'm on that silly 7 elastic as well. Ah, it's going your way. If you ain't that 30 pounder, I'm going to be disappointed. Let's see what it was. Is it Tench? Is it a Tench? Is it a Carp? Is it a Tench? I think it's a big old Tench. Come on, Tench, wanna go home? Oh, there's a spirited Tench anyway. Come on. It's what you call bad netting. Oh, no. I'm too tired to do it properly. Can't have 14-pound pike. That can't be less trouble than this. Terry, it won't give up. Come on. Come on. Where's it gone? It's there somewhere. It's in the net. God. I've never had much trouble with Tench before. I just bloody big Tench. Oh, God, that's a fucking big tench. £5.12. I still haven't quite managed to get me £6 tench. Well, I did have a big one in Rain Lodge once in a match. Yeah. Oh. Nice fish anyway. Thanks for watching. Nice day was had by all, apart from Terry. Say goodnight, Terry. Bye. Right, cheers. Bye bye.